Lesson 1. The history and the importance of Buddhism. Before studying the history of the spread of Buddhism to Thailand, it is important to look at the major events in the development of Buddhism from the Buddha's passing away until the present day. In this way, the students will see the relationship between important events in each period of time. Then the student will understand how Buddhism came to Thailand. 1. The essay, G. Yan, of the Dhamma and the Vinaya. A few moments after the Buddha passed away, an important event occurred. There was one monk named Subhada who was ordained just before the Buddha died, when he was old. He had not studied nor practiced the Dhamma for long, so he did not know Buddhism profoundly. He criticized and disparaged the Dhamma, the Vinaya, and the Buddha. When Subhada heard the news of the Buddha's passing away and saw other bhikkhus lamenting, he consoled them, saying, "Enough, friends, do not weep and lament over the Buddha, Sama, We are now delivered from that Sama, who always ordered us about, saying, this is proper and this is not proper. From now on, whatever we want to do we will do, whatever we do not want to do, we will not do." At the same time, an elder monk, the Venerable Ma Kisapathara, was sad that so soon after the Buddha had passed away a bhikkhu dared to speak like this. He thought this was wrong. He thought this could distort the Dhamma and the Vinaya from their former meanings and that it could destroy them. So he asked the essay, or the order for approval to hold the essay, G. Yan, after the cremation of the Buddha's corpse, 7 days after he died, and the division of the Buddha's relics. The essay, agreed and chose the Venerable Ma Kisapa to manage the essay, G. Yan, of the Dhamma and the Vinaya. 3 months after the Buddha passed away, the Venerable Kisapa selected 500 arahant monks to perform the essay, G. Yan. These monks performed the first essay, G. Yan, at the Satavahn cave, at the foot of Mount Vep, near Jagaha city, in Magadha state, India. For this essay, G. Yan, the first council, the Venerable Ma Kisapa was the presiding thera, while Venerable Up, L, and Venerable Nanda were chosen to recite the Vinaya and the Dhamma, respectively. The first council lasted 7 months under the royal patronage of King Ajay, Tazit. 100 years later, there were many bhikkhus of the Vaj, Vaj, clan. They misunderstood the Vinaya. They broke monks' many rules of discipline, including storing food for the future and eating food after noon. An elder, the Venerable Yasak, Apuda, thought that if he let these monks do such things and to teach or learn the Dhamma and perform the Vinaya wrongly, it would disgrace Buddhism. He suggested a second essay, G. Yan, or Buddhist Council.